Hello cutie pies, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, your beauty Donna. So in today's video we are gonna learn how to shape our eyebrows. And if you don't have any eyebrow pomade or any product to set your eyebrows, I'm gonna tell you how you can do this without any eyebrow pomade or eyebrow setting powder. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you about the first eyebrow, which we are gonna set with an eyebrow pomade, and the second one we are gonna use with another product which you can use alternatively. And I've started a kind of series in which I am going to tell you everything basic in very sweet short videos, and I will link down the playlist below so you can check out the description box to check all the videos in my playlist, because if you want to learn the basics, this playlist is gonna help you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, so without wasting more time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to understand the shape of your eyebrows. First of all, I need to set my bangs. Okay, so now these fringy babies are on side. Okay, now let's talk about eyebrows. Okay, now we will discuss how you can understand the shape of your eyebrows. Like, if you can see, my eyebrow is going in the shape like this and then this. So you have to follow the shape of your eyebrows, the natural shape of your eyebrows. If I am drawing my eyebrow in the shape like this, you are not supposed to do that. You have to shape your eyebrows according to your natural shape. Okay, so I'm just giving you the basic guide. So what you need to do is take a spoolie and comb your eyebrows. First you have to comb it upwards and then like this. By this you will achieve the natural shape of your eyebrows. If you use thread or razors or whatever to shape your eyebrows, you can do it in your way, and if you don't do this, then you can do it in my way. I never thread my eyebrows, I just try to shape it in the way they are. Basically, I don't have much extras, so I'm just taking advantage of that. Okay, so what we are going to do next is take a brush like this. It's basically an eyebrow brush, and take any of your eyebrow pomade. I'm using this Miss Rose eyebrow kit. Okay, so the best part of this kit is it has a eyebrow pomade and two powders here. One is in grayish tone and one is in brown tone. Basically, I have this kit in the number 4 here. So they have 4 variants, I guess. So in my variant, these are the colors. So firstly, I will take this eyebrow pomade, which is the cream based product. So basically, you have to cover all the cream based products with powders to make them long lasting and transfer proof. So firstly, you have to take your brush in that and then draw it like this. You don't have to draw it like a outline or drawing. You have to go in very small strokes. It might take some time, but this is really very important, and you have to start from here, from the lower beginning of your eyebrows, and go in very small strokes. And do not apply too much product at once. Okay, now you can see. Now I'll shape the end. So my eyebrows are not threaded or shaped, so that's why I have to make it a little broader. If your eyebrows are already shaped out, then you don't need to work a lot on that. Okay, so we are done with the corner. Now we have to fill this side. Okay, so what you need to do is hold your brush from here, this side. Do not hold it like this. It will make more pressure on your eyebrows. So you have to hold it from here and just make it in upward direction. The very light end. Make sure that this side of eyebrow should be lighter than this. Now take the spoolie and brush it again. It will basically tell you more about the shape, and it will blend the pomade as well. Okay, so you can see the shape. So now you can see the difference, right? But it's not done yet. What else you need to do is take a concealer, take a flat brush like this. Now what you need to do is apply a little bit concealer on the back of your hand and take it from this brush. Now you have to follow the natural line. Okay, so you have to be very artistic with this thing, okay? You have to draw these lines very carefully. And always use your dominant hand. Like I am a right-handed person, so I'm using my right hand instead of using left hand for this eye. I'm using it like twisting it on this side, because your dominant hand has more proper power and can draw the lines more properly. So if you are a left-handed person, so for this eye you have to use it by twisting your elbow this side. Okay, so we are back in zoom in. Okay, so I'm using the concealer, so it is lighter than my shade because my forehead is a little bit pigmented. Otherwise it's same of the match of my skin, and I haven't applied any foundation or any face product yet, so it might be looking different. But when you will apply foundation or BB cream or whatever you apply, so it will blend into it. You can use any beauty blender to blend this, but very carefully. I'm using the same brush. Now I'll pat it with my fingers. And you can see the eyebrow. This and this. It is more lifted and more in its proper shape. And you can see this one. Okay, so our eyebrows are set now. But what you need to do is take your angle brush again, and now you have to set it with powder product. So I'm using the powder from this. Take your brush into it and then tap off the excess, because you don't need any fallout, because we have already set our eyebrow shape. You have to be very careful while doing this. Okay, so now it's done. You can see the shape of my eyebrow. It looks more lifted. The difference is really visible. But the only, if you feel a little bit like it's not that perfect, just because I have never ever threaded my eyebrows, it's a natural shape and I have some extra hairs which are hidden just because of concealer. Yeah. Okay, so now coming to another eyebrow. So as I already told you that we are not going to use any eyebrow product on this side. So what we are going to use now, I'll tell you. Everyone have a liner in their vanity and you can use it as your eyebrow pomade. But I have a brown gel liner. This is by Sophia Ashley. You can use any of your favorite eyebrow pomade, but make sure it should be like brown or gray, not that intense black one, because the intense black eyebrows doesn't look good on everyone. And if you are a brown skin person, those intense black eyebrows won't suit you. Okay, so the shaping procedure is again the same, and you have to choose your eyebrow pomade color, or either you are using your gel liner or your eyebrow pomade or whatever. You need to choose the color very efficiently by considering your real eyebrow color, your skin complexion, everything, because it should look natural. Okay, so now I'll brush the eyebrows. Okay, I'm doing it fastly because I've already explained it, so it's better not to waste your time. Okay, so now back to zoom in mode. I'm sorry for being too close to the camera, but yeah, it's needed. Okay, now I'm using the same brush, that eyebrow brush, and now I'm digging it into this. Now you have to be more careful because liners are more intense than the pomades, because pomades are made for your eyebrows, but these are made intense for your liner look. So you have to be very careful. So we will again work in very small strokes. So first start from here, from the middle, because this is the part where you have most of your hairs. So you'll get an idea that how much product you have and how intense your product is. Go in very small strokes. No need to rush. You can see how perfect these eyebrows are looking as well. Now you have to apply the remaining product on this side. As I told you that this should be lighter. So you can see there is a little bit difference in the shade, and this one is a little bit roughly done because obviously we are using another product which is not made for your eyebrows. But the magic will begin when we will shape it out with the concealer. And again you have to carefully draw the line here. Again you have to be very artistic. Treat your eyebrows like your dearest painting. Okay, so now you can see how perfect shape is looking right now. It is looking more intense, like the color is darker than this one, because as you know that this is the eyebrow pomade and this is the liner which was supposed to be intense, but as this is a brown one, so it is not looking that bad. Okay, so we don't have any eyebrow product for this. So now how we are going to set our eyebrow product which is still a cream based product. Any guesses? Let me reveal this. We will use any of our eyeshadows, and most of the eyeshadow palettes have the basic brown colors. So what you need to do is choose the best one for you. Okay, so I'm using my Makeup Revolution palette. This is Reloaded Division. So this is a lot of nude shades. So I'm going to use this dark maroonish brown. This is cool toned brown, and this one is a warm tone. So I will mix them together. And once again, your eyebrow powders are less pigmented, but these eyeshadows are way too pigmented, and the pigmentation varies to palette to palette. So this one is really very pigmented, so I'm just touching the eyeshadows and then tapping off the excess. So you should not have any extra product. Again, in small strokes. And you are done. Let me zoom in. Now you can see me closely and the eyebrows closely. Obviously you can feel the difference between the two, but both of them are perfect when your both eyebrows will be same, obviously. One thing is that I never feel that my both eyebrows are same. I don't know why I feel this one is more sharper than this one. I don't know. If you guys have any such experience, then please share it in comments. Okay, so now zoom out, and if you like this video, then I will say again that you have to like, share and subscribe. So this was all about this video, and I have a playlist which I already told you. You can check that in description. So don't forget to check that out. I'm gonna fill it with all the good, sweet, short videos. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.